Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Jasper to speed up affiliate blog drafts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Jasper homepage. Log into your Jasper account using your credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Locate the Templates section in the sidebar. Click on the Templates option to explore different writing formats. Select the blog post intro template for drafting the opening of your affiliate blog. Input your blog topic in the designated field. Choose the tone of voice you desire for your draft. Click on the Generate button to create your blog intro. Review the generated content and select the portions that resonate with you. Now, navigate back to the Templates section. This time, choose the Blog Post Ideas template. Enter keywords related to your affiliate niche and click Generate. Evaluate the suggested topics and select those that align with your content strategy. After selecting your blog ideas, go to the Documents section in the sidebar. Click on Create New Document to start drafting your blog. Copy the chosen blog intro and paste it into your new document. For each selected topic, repeat the process by using the Blog Post Outline template. Simply input the selected blog topic and click Generate. Organize the outlines in your document for easy flow. Now, move on to writing the body of your blog post. Use the Paragraph Generator template for individual sections of your outline. Enter a section title, choose your desired tone, and click Generate. Review and edit the generated paragraphs as needed. Continue this for each section of your outline until the draft is complete. Once your draft is ready, utilize Jasper's Content Improver tool for refinement. Paste sections of your draft into the Content Improver and generate revisions. Incorporate the improvements into your main document. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.